Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the beauty and tech world with insights that make a difference. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to change your smile: the Philips Sonicare 6700 Series Electric Toothbrush. If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet gentle clean, this toothbrush might be the answer to your oral care needs. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the best beauty and tech products out there. Let's get right into it. The Philips Sonicare 6700 Series Electric Toothbrush model HX741106 is a next-generation device that uses sonic technology to give your teeth a deep clean, even in those tricky-to-reach spots. It's equipped with a sensitive brush head, which features over 3,000 ultra-soft bristles designed to remove up to 1,000% more plaque than a manual toothbrush. This toothbrush doesn't just clean your teeth, it helps protect your gums with its visual pressure sensor, lighting up when you apply too much pressure. It comes with 3 brushing modes: clean, sensitive, and white, allowing you to personalize your routine. Plus, there are 3 intensity levels, making it suitable for everyone, from the gentle to the more thorough brusher. Now, I've been using the Sonicare for a few weeks, and I've been impressed with how seamlessly it fit into my daily routine. The brush head's ultra-soft bristles really make a difference, especially if you have sensitive gums like I do. The pressure sensor is a game changer. No more worrying about brushing too hard and irritating my gums. The sonic technology works wonders, and I can really feel it cleaning deep between my teeth, where manual brushing just can't reach. The real-world testing shows that the Sonicare toothbrush makes it super easy to get a thorough clean without any discomfort. Let's get into the pros and cons based on my experience. First, the pros. The gentle bristles are perfect for sensitive teeth, offering an effective clean without irritation. The built-in pressure sensor is fantastic for gum health. The 3 modes and intensity levels allow for customization based on your needs. The SmartTimer and BrushPacer make it easy to stick to the recommended brushing time. The 21-day battery life is incredibly convenient for travel. On the downside, the brush head does require replacement every 3 months, which is a typical requirement for electric toothbrushes, but can add to long-term costs. Also, the design, while sleek, is a bit bulky compared to some other models, which might be a concern if you're looking for something compact. Now, is it worth the money? Considering the high-tech features and the fact that it's a Philips product, known for their reliable electronics, I'd say the price is justifiable. The pressure sensor alone, which helps preserve your gums, makes this a smart investment for oral health. Plus, the 21-day runtime means you won't be constantly charging it. As for comparisons, if you're looking for similar electric toothbrushes, the Oral-B Pro 1000 is a solid contender, but it doesn't offer the same level of customization or pressure sensing technology that the Sonicare does. It's a great option if you're on a tighter budget, but for someone who wants a more tailored experience, the Sonicare stands out. When it comes to build quality, the Sonicare is sturdy, and the included travel case makes it a perfect companion for vacations or business trips. The brush head is durable, and you won't have to worry about it breaking down prematurely. Now, midway through, if you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to grab one, check the link in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct need to reach out to Philips for this product, but their reputation for helpful and responsive customer service is well known. If anything goes wrong, you can expect them to handle inquiries and issues professionally. Now, if you're looking for alternatives that offer similar features, the Sonicare Diamond Clean is another great option, though it's priced a bit higher. However, if you're looking for something at a lower price point, consider the Oral-B Smart 1500, which offers great cleaning power but lacks the gentler pressure sensor. To wrap it up, the Philips Sonicare 6700 Series Electric Toothbrush is a standout product in the world of oral care. Its combination of gentle yet powerful cleaning, smart features like the pressure sensor, and long battery life make it an excellent choice for those serious about their dental health. Whether you have sensitive teeth or just want a deeper clean, this toothbrush delivers. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried the Philips Sonicare or have any tips of your own, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.